Is the Secretariat. The Secretariat is made up of an international staff working at UN headquarters in New York as well as UN offices in Geneva, Vienna, Nairobi, and other locations. Means the first headquarters of the UN is in the New York City. The staff's duties include administering peace operations and mediating international disputes. Means what are the main duties of this staff? To maintain peace and to solve the international disputes. Next, the Secretariat is headed by the Secretary General and who is appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council for a 5-year term. Means this Secretariat doing work for the 5 year, and after 5 year he or she can change. The Secretary General is responsible for implementing decisions taken by the various organs of the United Nations. The first Secretary General was Trygve Liv from Norway. The present Secretary General Antonio Guterres is from Portugal. He resumed his office in 2017. Means which present Secretary General is there. He resumed in 2017. He joined in 2017. The Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council is a central body for coordinating the economic and social work of the UN and the UN system. The council has 54 members which are chosen for a term of 3 years. The council recommends and directs activities aimed at promoting economic growth of developing countries, supporting human rights, fostering means developing world cooperation to fight poverty and underdevelopment. Means what are the main function of the Economic and Social Council? The main function of the Economic and Social Council is to help to promote the growth of developing countries, supporting human rights, and to fight with the poverty and underdevelopment. Underdevelopment are those who are going to develop but not developed or going to develop. That is known as the underdevelopment. Next is the Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council is comprised of permanent members of the Security Council. Means in the Trusteeship Council, the permanent members of the Security Council can join. It was assigned the work of supervising the administration of 11 trust tertiaries, former colonies, which were placed under the international trust system. With the independence of the last trust tertiary, Palau, in 1994, the Council decided formally to suspend its operation. Means if any tertiary cannot work properly, so it can suspend by operations. Next, the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice, it means ICJ, is the UN's main judicial organ located in the Hague, Netherlands. The court settles legal disputes only between nations and not between the individuals. Means international court solving only the disputes among the nations, not the individuals. It is presided over by 15 judges elected for a 9-year term. No two judges can be from the same country. All judgments passed by the court are final and without appeal. Means if they take a decision, then this decision passed by the all 15 judges, then it can pass. Since 1946, the court has considered over 165 cases and issued numerous judgments on international disputes. Next is main agencies of the United Nations. First is Food and Agricultural Organization. It means FAO. Full form of FAO is Food and Agricultural Organization. FAO fights against poverty and hunger through agricultural development and improvement of nutrition standards. Its headquarters is in Rome. Means what are the function of Food and Agricultural Organization? It fights against the poverty and hunger. They are giving the facilities about the agricultural development. They are providing the nutrition standards, and its headquarters is in Rome. Next is World Health Organization, means WHO. The WHO acts as a coordinating authority of international public health and deals with health and sanitation and diseases. Its headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. It is playing the key role in fighting polio, HIV/AIDS, the tuberculosis the world over. Means in the whole world, the responsibility of WHO is to provide facilities against the diseases, about the health, and about sanitation. Next is UN, Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It means UNESCO. The UNESCO came into force on 4th November 1946 and its headquarters is in Paris, and its main functions are, what are the main functions of the UNESCO? To advance mutual knowledge and understanding among countries, to advance the ideal of equal educational opportunities to all, to conserve and protect the world inheritance of books, works of art, and monuments of history and science.